Hey there. So, imagine you have this old Mac Mini from 2014, working like a charm managing your 3D printer through Octoprint in Linux. The only tiny hiccup? It won't automatically power back on when the electricity comes back. Annoying, right? That's the problem we're tackling today. In comes a solution. By booting into the online recovery console, regardless of whether macOS is installed, using a key combo with Startup, you can access a terminal and simply toggle the setting with a command. Easy peasy. This method worked wonders for a 2018 Mac Mini and should do the trick for your 2014 model too. No need for additional OS installations or complex setups. Problem solved. To summarize, whether you're dealing with your Mac Mini, a FreeBSD system, or even a Sense firewall, the key to automatically powering on after an outage lies in accessing the recovery console and using a specific command. By following these steps, you can ensure your devices come back to life without any manual intervention. And there you have it. Problem solved, tech running smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any tech dilemmas you're facing. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.